What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. After the winter storm, look what we got here. So we got the caps in for the Audi. Now we're gonna go ahead and put them on. This is gonna be a short video, guys. Just want to show y'all, is the Amazon caps really worth it or not?
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need a race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
So here, grab one out of there. All that noise ain't even moving. Ain't even moving. The car is dirty, of course, because we had this whole winter storm. But let's see if they fit. That was the main thing I was kind of scared of, making sure they gonna fit on there. Oh, they gonna fit. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks way better. That looks way better. Amazon caps. That don't look like we riding on a donut. You know what? We probably should have put them on like after we washed the car. But that's all good. Easy peasy. If I can find the link, guys, I'll put the link. Can you get it like with the cap in the grill? Yeah. And then we're still looking into some aftermarket wheels. I just gotta find the ones I want on here, not the ones my wife want on here, because I am gonna drive it sometime. We just gotta pick the right wheels, you know, the right setup to match the fleet, because we do have a fleet, guys. I mean, y'all go watch all our other videos. We do have a whole fleet of cars, so I want everything to look good and match, kinda. Watch this, the last one. Watch it mess up. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That one didn't kind of clip in that good. There we go. Huh. All right. Well, yeah, I see it. Looks good to me. Like I said, guys, it's gonna be a short video. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.